Choice-based games are really exciting, but how do you play them right? What's going on, everybody? It's your boy SBZ gang, and we're back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about something in particular, and this just popped into my head. How do you play choice-based games right? Now, there are so many choice-based games, from super massive games, whether that be the Quarry, whether that be Until Dawn, or the Dark Anthology Series that we've been playing here on this channel. And you guys know from watching me, one choice could ruin the entire game. I remember playing Until Dawn and we killed everyone at least 3 times before we got it somewhat right, and we still didn't get to save the main person that we wanted to save. So let's figure out how to save everyone the right way. Here are my steps on how to do this. Tip number 1, being nice isn't always the answer. That's right, being nice isn't always the answer, because it seems like the way to go because you know that person is going to help you in the end, but at the same time, it could be detrimental. It could kill everyone just because you're being nice and not logical. Tip number 2, always outweigh your options. Some games are time-based, so whatever choice you make has to do with the time. And sometimes whenever you run out of time and you don't make the decision in time, you could kill that person. So I get it, it's hard. If you just press the start button whenever you get that choice, then you can outweigh the options. Think everything out. All right, here's my tip number 3 for choice-based games. Don't be afraid to go back. Do not be afraid to go back. Yes, whenever you're playing these games, it gets to the point where you've exhausted so many hours and now you're at the final chapter and then you make one wrong move and destroy everyone. You can always go back in the chapter. I believe the Quarry has a death rewind feature where you can just go back, rewind, and figure out what you did wrong so you can fix that. In the Dark Anthology series, you can just go back to the other chapter. Just don't be afraid to go back and try to fix the problem. We would all love to save everybody on the first run. I believe in the first Dark Anthology Man of Medan series we were playing on Twitch, I thought I saved everyone, but I made one false move in the beginning, which was detrimental to one character at the end of the game. So don't be afraid to go back. I know it's a lot of effort. Now, this next tip is for streamers. Don't be afraid to include your community in the decisions. Remember that this game is not just for you, especially if you're streaming it. If you're streaming it, do not be afraid to ask your community. I know some stuff are time-based, but like I said in tip number 2, take your time. Just pause the game and say, hey, community, I'm stuck. Let's figure out this stuff together. What should I do? Should I do this? Should I do that? Most likely the community is going to give you a decision based off of, I don't know, votes. You can do a poll, whatever it is. That includes engagement, and it's going to make it more fun and entertaining for the community because now they're in the game. Now, before I get to my last tip, go ahead and leave that like button. Also hit the subscribe button. Let me know in the comment section below if these tips are helping you, because they definitely would have helped me if I would have used them. And my last tip, and it might make everybody mad and click off of the video, but there's no guaranteed way that your choices, unless you're cheating, are going to guarantee everybody survive. You can look at gameplays and do everything right, but if you're doing this the right way, it is hard to figure out how to get everything right. So if you make a mistake, do not get mad. The goal is to complete the game and just complete it. Do as best as you can and everything will always work out. One saved is better than none saved. All right, I hope you guys like this video. We stream every Sunday and Tuesday and sometimes on Friday on Twitch. The link is going to be in the description below. I hope you guys really like this video. It just popped into my head and I play a lot of these choice-based games, so I'm excited. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.